What's happening, Panda Nation? Feeding time at the zoo. Peter from Panda here with another Smash Pack. This is a protein pudding, but what I'm really excited about this, check out the orange and brown. What does that remind you of? Reese's Peanut Butter Cup, maybe? It does me. Yeah! And I kind of hope it tastes like a Reese's Peanut Butter Cup because this grass-fed protein pudding pack, 5 ounces, 4.27 ounces specifically, is the chocolate peanut butter flavor. So, chocolate and peanut butter. That is awesome. So I'm really excited about checking this one out. I have a feeling, and you'll know, check out my other Smash Pack reviews, from the fruits to the smoothies to the puddings, I really like them. The pudding has risen to the top in terms of decadence and deliciousness and just kind of a treat, right? If you want to feel a little less decadent or sinful, try the smoothies. Those are fantastic, but the puddings are awesome. Now, I tried the chocolate one, which was fantastic, but chocolate and peanut butter, I'm kind of expecting big things. So when I expect big things like that, they're kind of a letdown usually, so I hope it's not. Now, 130 calories, so you don't have to worry about putting yourself in an early grave too much, but man, these things are awesome because they're so portable, packable. You get a pack of these, throw them in your desk drawer, your backpack, your purse, what have you, and then just grab them. What a great way to kind of have a little snack, without having to pack stuff up. So here it goes. Peanut butter pudding. It's thick. Yes! Yes! I took a hit of it and I was like, it tastes like chocolate pudding, but you get that little, that creamy peanut butter taste in there. It's kind of like that dry, nutty flavor, man. I love it. Okay, no doubt. This is my favorite flavor so far. Chocolate, peanut butter, pudding from Smash Pack. I mean, I'm not kidding, man. Workout, pre-workout, post-workout. I know this stuff is supposed to be healthy, only 130 calories. You can see here some of the other things. 15 grams of grass-fed protein, only 4 grams of sugar. So it's not meant to be just a sugar-filled or high fructose corn syrup treat. But man, this is a treat. If I were to taste this and you told me that it's not just a massive sugar rush, I wouldn't believe you. I'd be like, this is delicious. I don't care. I'd eat it. I think that's the key of kind of balancing the good for you and the taste amazing. I tell you what, Smash Pack, you do it right. You do it right. Check out the link in the description if you want to pick up these specifically. But check out the other Smash Pack reviews I've done and follow the link to pick up any of their other stuff if you want some of that stuff too. There's all their stuff's amazing, for sure. Smash Pack, Peter von Panda, out.